Hi guys and gals, welcome to Canadian Immigration Channel. I believe we spoke about federal court. In a nutshell, federal court is your last chance, your last resort to defend your application in case you believe that you were refused unjustly. So in other words, you believe that officers were wrong in interpreting the law and you want to make sure that your application would be rectified. Not every case is the same, not in every single case it is possible to do so, but let me give you an example we're working on right now. Say, I'm not going to give you particulars on it, but say the gentleman was refused his temporary visa to Canada several times in a row. In one instance, it was a refusal based on the fact that officers said that, look, you do not have enough funds to travel to Canada. In another case, they were not satisfied with his family connections. In another case, they were not satisfied with his intention to come to Canada. And overall, after several reapplications, it looks like there is prejudice in this case. And that is the perfect solution, and that is the perfect situation to go to federal court and ask the judge to look into the matter and indeed return the application for reconsideration to another officer who would be working on it and obviously working under this impression that the application was returned for processing from the court. Now, I'm not saying that this is the ideal situation, but overall, this is the way to rectify it, right? There are multiple cases where your immigration application was refused on pretty much groundless basis. There are multiple cases where officers were not processing papers in the way they were supposed to, etc., etc., etc. Unfortunately, your local quote-unquote representatives, your ICCRCs and whoever, are not able to work in court. In fact, ICCRCs are not able to represent you in court. So either you're smart enough to represent yourself, which is highly doubtful, of course, but it's still doable, or you would need a lawyer who would be working on it. And our team would be glad to assist you in this matter. Take your case, and if necessary, again, I'm not saying that every single case would qualify for the court, but if necessary, we would be able to help you out if you believe that you were refused unjustly, right? There are multiple ways to look at the situation. Either it would qualify for reapplication or resubmission in order to make sure that we would address all the points of concerns for officers, or indeed the officer was wrong and there is a chance to go to court. We've been doing it on multiple occasions with respect to the court, and there are multiple cases where we actually won, making sure that our applicants would receive justice. Therefore, if necessary, again, send us an email. We will look into your case, we will analyze what it is, and we'll help you out to fix the situation either this or that way. Stay tuned with us, and of course, subscribe to the channel.